When considering double-hung windows Mesa installation in Mesa, Arizona, it's essential to understand the various window frame materials available. From traditional wood to modern vinyl double-hung windows Mesa, each material offers unique benefits and aesthetic appeal. Vinyl double-hung windows Mesa are particularly popular due to their durability and low maintenance requirements, making them an excellent choice for homeowners in the area. Energy-efficient double-hung windows Mesa are a top priority for many residents looking to reduce their energy bills and improve home comfort. These windows are designed with insulated glass units that help maintain indoor temperatures, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Insulated glass units Mesa, Arizona are a smart investment for those seeking to enhance their home's energy efficiency. Window replacement services in Mesa offer a wide range of options to suit any homeowner's needs. Whether you're looking for custom double-hung windows Mesa designs or standard replacements, professional window installers Mesa, Arizona can provide expert guidance and installation. Custom window designs allow for personalized aesthetics and functionality, ensuring your windows complement your home's style. For those in need of double-hung windows Mesa installation experts in Mesa, timely installations can prevent further damage and extend the life of your windows. From window sash replacement Mesa, Arizona to window sealing solutions Mesa, skilled professionals can address a variety of issues. Regular maintenance and prompt installations are crucial for maintaining the integrity and performance of your double-hung windows Mesa. Double-hung window benefits Mesa, Arizona include ease of cleaning, improved ventilation, and classic style. These windows are designed with two operable sashes, allowing for versatile airflow and easy access for cleaning. Double-hung window features Mesa, Arizona make them a popular choice for both traditional and modern homes. Double-hung windows Mesa style options are abundant, offering homeowners the flexibility to choose designs that match their architectural preferences. From sleek, contemporary styles to more traditional looks, the variety of window style options ensures that every homeowner can find the perfect fit for their home. Professional window installers can help guide you through the selection process. Window hardware upgrades Mesa for double-hung windows Mesa can enhance both the functionality and security of your windows. Upgrading locks, handles, and other hardware components can improve ease of use and provide added peace of mind. Window safety features Mesa are particularly important for families with young children or pets. Understanding double-hung window costs Mesa is crucial for budgeting your window replacement or installation project. Costs can vary based on materials, size, and additional features, but investing in quality double-hung windows Mesa can provide long-term savings through improved energy efficiency and reduced maintenance needs. When considering double-hung windows Mesa installation in Mesa, Arizona, it's essential to understand the various window frame materials available. From traditional wood to modern vinyl double-hung windows Mesa, each material offers unique benefits and aesthetic appeal. Vinyl double-hung windows Mesa are particularly popular due to their durability and low maintenance requirements, making them an excellent choice for homeowners seeking long-lasting solutions. Energy-efficient double-hung windows Mesa in Mesa are a top priority for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed with insulated glass units that help maintain indoor temperatures, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. By choosing energy-efficient double-hung windows Mesa, residents can enjoy significant savings on their energy bills while contributing to a more sustainable environment. Window replacement services in Mesa, Arizona, offer a wide range of options for those looking to upgrade their homes. Whether you're interested in custom double-hung windows Mesa designs or need assistance with window sash replacement Mesa, Arizona, professional window installers Mesa, Arizona can provide expert guidance and installation services. With their help, you can transform your home's appearance and functionality with high-quality double-hung windows Mesa solutions. Custom double-hung windows Mesa designs in Mesa, Arizona, allow homeowners to express their unique style and preferences. From selecting window style options Mesa to choosing the perfect window hardware upgrades Mesa, the possibilities are endless. Custom double-hung windows Mesa, Arizona can enhance your home's curb appeal and increase its overall value, making it a worthwhile investment for any homeowner. Double-hung windows Mesa installation experts in Mesa are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Whether you need window sealing solutions Mesa or window screen replacements Mesa, these professionals can address a variety of issues to ensure your windows remain in top condition. Regular maintenance and timely installations can prevent more significant problems down the line, saving you time and money. Vinyl double-hung windows Mesa in Mesa are a popular choice for their energy efficiency and ease of maintenance. These windows feature double-hung window benefits Mesa, Arizona, such as improved ventilation and easy cleaning. With a variety of double-hung window brands Mesa available, homeowners can find the perfect fit for their needs and budget. Insulated glass units in Mesa, Arizona, are a crucial component of energy-efficient double-hung windows Mesa. These units consist of multiple glass panes separated by a spacer, creating an insulating barrier that reduces heat transfer. By investing in insulated glass units Mesa, Arizona, homeowners can enhance their double-hung windows Mesa energy performance and enjoy a more comfortable living environment.